Does your kid seem sick literally all the time? My name's Alec. I'm a board certified pediatrician. I treat so many common colds all day, every day, and I want to talk about the frequency of colds you can expect and the duration of symptoms so that you guys know what to expect and when to be concerned. So, frequency and duration of colds actually vary significantly depending on your age. If you are less than 6 years old, I'm going to expect, on average, somewhere between 6 to 8 colds in a year. That being said, though, during peak cold season, so think fall and winter, or the months of September through April, I expect you to have on average one cold a month. And sometimes, if you're in a high exposure group, like you have tons of people living at home, or you're in daycare, or you're in school, sometimes you get hit with that 1-2 punch and you get two viruses in a month. It's not that uncommon, but those are kind of the average frequency I expect for kids under 6 years. Now, in terms of symptom duration, if you're under 6 years old, on average, your symptoms are going to last 14 days, 2 weeks. It's crazy. It's a long time because if you think about it, if you're getting one virus a month and it's lasting 2 weeks, and sometimes that post-viral cough, I'm not gonna lie, it lingers a little bit longer than 2 weeks, it's gonna seem like you're sick at least half the time of cold and flu season. Half the time. That's a lot. That's a lot of sick time. We're gonna let that sink in. Okay? And now we're gonna talk about if you're over 6 years. So if you're over 6 years old, I'm going to expect you to have less frequent colds, so think more like 2 to 4 in a year, and think more symptom duration of 5 to 7 days rather than 14 days. So I hope reviewing these sort of average numbers gives you an idea of what to expect. And I hope you follow along for more evidence-based pediatric health education because I'm going to break down the most common symptoms you see with a common cold. So think fever, think nasal congestion, and think cough. And I'm going to talk about what you can expect, how long a symptom lasts, what you can do to treat it, and when to be concerned.